fans to Monster Truck Classics unboxing and reviews from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. This is the Double Down Showdown 2-pack of Gravedigger and WildFlower. WildFlower has never been released as a die-cast Monster Jam truck, so this is going to be an interesting review. On the back of the box, we have Collect Them All High Octane Face Off, the Brodozer versus the Gas Monkey Garage. Remember, these are true 1/64 scale Monster Jam trucks. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. So let's go ahead and take a close look at WildFlower first of all. And look at her. Wow. Sure looks different. A different look of a monster truck overall. But it looks like the truck that she drives. They got this looking really good. Let's bring it up here closer so you can check out the graphics on the truck. Rosalie. Her name's on there. WildFlower. There's the Monster Jam logo. And then also there's another flower. Then the grill of the truck right there. And then we also get some graphics up here, up top right here where the pen is. Very interesting. Truck design. What's interesting is they went with a color scheme for the motor, also the driver, and where you would also see the sponsors right there. So you can see that it is some kind of pinkish color, light pinkish. The motor is even, you know, pinkish. And you get a good shot of what the motor looks like. So that is WildFlower. Very cool. Now let's bring in Gravedigger. Here is Gravedigger. Now these wheels are really different. I haven't gotten any other wheels like this on any of the Spin Master trucks. Very interesting color scheme that they went for the wheels. Something different. They went with the unrevised version for the body of Gravedigger, as you can see here. I did a video for this, the unrevised version for Gravedigger, where this is cut off too short. The graphics should have came way over here, more to the end of the truck. There's a driver in there. If they would have took this out somehow, did something different so we could see the motor inside the truck, that would have been cool to see. But here's the top of Gravedigger. Bad to the bone. Those wheels are really shiny. Gives the truck a little different touch. So that ends the review of the Gravedigger and WildFlower Double Down Showdown 2-pack. So hopefully you enjoyed this review, and thank you for tuning in.